Here we go, Hobbybox604, doing our first 14-15 Upper Deck Premiere. This is group break number 390, single tin of 14-15 UD Premiere. Quickly go through the names here. Anaheim Ducks, J-Li. Arizona, Donovan. Boston, Sam M. Buffalo, Jeffrey. Calgary, Ernie. Carolina, Brandon J. Chicago, Sam M. Colorado, Donovan F. Columbus, Reinhardt. Dallas, Ken H. Detroit, Sam M. Edmonton, Jason N. Florida, Sam M. LA, J-Li. Minnesota, Donovan. Montreal, Alex T. Nashville, Christopher M. A. New Jersey, Jeffrey. New York Islanders, Rich F. New York Rangers, Ernie D. Ottawa, Jason N. Philly, Ernie. Pittsburgh, Chris T. St. Louis, Joe C. San Jose, J-Li. Tampa Bay, Alex T. Toronto, Sean B. Vancouver, Brandon J. Washington, Ken H. And Winnipeg goes to Domi. Serial number of this tin is 336. Good luck, guys. Let's see what we get. Was expecting to see the tins bigger, like the size of the cup, but they're baby tins.
I like it.
And yeah,
That's big.
pretty cool. Yeah, cup boxes are just too big, I think. And there's a pack in here. Okay, let's see. Let me see if that last one is a base. Okay. We'll put that there. Okay, we start with a base card for the Detroit Red Wings. Chris Chelios. Number 146 of 249 for the Red Wings. Chris Chelios. Nice looking base card. For the Calgary Flames, we have a rookie card of Josh Juris. Number 210 of 249 for the Flames. Nice rookie patch auto to 25. You guys gonna cheat, so we'll put that there. For the San Jose Sharks, number 10 of 25, acetate rookie patch auto of Mirko Mueller. San Jose is J-Li. Nice $6 purchase. 10 of 25. Nice patch. Mirko Mueller for the San Jose Sharks. Almost dropped it. Next card, very nice. For the Montreal Canadiens, number 98 of 99, signature champions, Guy Lafleur. That is Alex T. Alex T. Guy Lafleur. Nice hit for Alex. Next we have a mega patch. It's not super mega, but number 9 of 17 for the New York Rangers, mega patch of Matt Zuccarello. Ernie gets that card, number 9 of 17. Very nice. Zuka. We chose the dice, picked the right box, I guess. For the New York Rangers again, back to back, King Henrik, Premier jersey, number 56 of 125. Henrik Lundqvist. And the last card is for the San Jose Sharks again, number 56 of 125, Mirko Mueller. Rookie jersey. This is what I don't like about something like this. It's 7 cards and 4 of those goes to the same team. 2 to San Jose and 2 to New York Rangers. I mean, good for those guys, but everyone else did not get a card. So there it was, guys, the preview of Premiere and our first box. Thanks for joining us, and we'll be back shortly.